So it is a lengthy process when it comes to Irish sea moss. This is how it looks initially. It's kind of some hard pieces. It's hard. It's kind of, if you know what, like seaweed, like when you go into like the go to the beach and you feel the seaweed on your feet, that's how it feels, but it's harder, especially if it's dried up. So that's how it looks. So the first steps that you have to do is put it in water and clean it. Actually, on the pack that I got here, got it from Amazon, it says to wash with like lemon juice. I don't, but definitely when you first get it, you can tell it smells like seaweed as well. But you have to completely clean it. The water, you can see how dirty that water is basically. So you have to keep cleaning it. So it's been sitting here for some hours just because I've been lazy and I didn't come in here and do it. So I'm going to scrub it. And when you scrub it and clean it, you rub it together because it's supposed to get like the sand and all of that stuff that's on it off basically. So I'm going to continue to clean it. Next, you want to put the Irish sea moss in boiling water. And I'm going to let that like sit in there for time. It's supposed to boil with it, so you'll start seeing like the bubbles and stuff. So I'll show y'all once the bubbles and stuff get to it. Yeah. Alright, so these are the little bubble things that I was talking about. So it's going to cook these down and make them not so hard. It's going to be, you can see the gel, like it's kind of making it less hard now, more gushy and jelly. So I'm waiting on that to get down basically. So it'll take another like 15-20 minutes for it to cook completely down. So alright, so what I am going to do is take what I have from the stove, which is kind of jelly-ish, and I'm going to put it in this bowl. You can see how gooey it looks now, basically. After this is finished, so yeah, it's a little waxy, but I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it be in there overnight, and then it is going to look like jello in the morning. Then when you take it out, it looks jello-ish. I don't know if you can see that. So this is how it looks. Looks like jello. Some people separate the insides of it, like it's the vein part. I don't. I mix it all together. This morning I'm doing my juicing, so I'm gonna add it into my green smoothie. This is a lot, but whatever. What else?